Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign multiple people to one task. Well, really there can only be one. So what do you do when you need multiple people to work on a single task? Well, there's two ways you can go about this. First, you can make multiple copies of the same task by assigning them to each individual person by using the Assign Duplicate Tasks feature. To do that, you just go to the task, click on the Assignee button, Assign Duplicate Tasks, and then you can add the people that also need to be involved with this task. And there you have it, the tasks are duplicated and you can view them as well, and it'll have the exact same information as the original task. The second option, which is what I prefer, involves using subtasks or collaborators. The reason I prefer this way is because someone is ultimately responsible for completing the task. Do you know what happens when you put multiple people in charge of one task and no one is ultimately responsible? It doesn't really get done because everyone else thinks that someone else will do it. And no one really knows who's doing what and what's going on, and when it doesn't get done, that's when the blame game starts happening. So having a clear single task owner will help with accountability and moving your team forward. This person will be in charge of making sure everyone else is doing their part, what the next steps for the task is, and be the go-to person if anyone has any questions about what is going on. Additionally, all conversations will be captured in one task instead of it being scattered among multiple copies of a task. So now before I show you an example, I just want to make a quick note that I do have a free Facebook group that you can join called Asana Secrets. It's where I answer any questions that you may have about Asana. It's free to join, it's free to ask me questions, and at the time of this recording, it's free to get on a video call with me to help you out. So go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link in the description box below. Okay, so let's look at the task that involves multiple people. The task I have here is to review and update operating instructions, and the members assigned to the records management project are all equal and do the same job. But as their boss, me being their boss, I need this completed by the end of September to stay compliant. And it's going to take the work of all of them to get it done by the end of September. You'll want to assign the person who will lead this task, and that I have added Mike Summers as the person to lead it. Even though Mike is equal to Terry and Allison, I want him to be in charge of this task. He will be my go-to guy so that I don't have to chase down all three of them just to get an answer. Next, I added subtasks and assigned them to the other people that will be involved. This way, they will also have a task show up in their inbox and will know that it has to be worked on. I've added due dates to them as well so that everyone knows when this task must be completed. You can now carry on a conversation about this task in one area. You can tag them if you have a question and they'll receive a notification in their inbox so that they can answer it. You can even add additional collaborators. For instance, if you need top cover to make this task get completed, you would just add them in this area here. That's really how you would assign multiple people to one task. And that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video valuable. And if you did, go ahead and click on that like button and click on subscribe so you don't miss out on any other Asana Tips videos. And make sure you check out my previous video that's on the screen as well.